guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. One of the most requested videos I get to do is Shein hauls. You guys love Shein. I'm giving the people what they want. I have some really cute pieces for fall here, like Chef's Kiss, GORG. Okay, first up, we have this stunning top. I'm also wearing it with some jeans, also from Shein. So this top is gorgeous. I obviously would not wear this style bra with it. I feel like this is something you probably have to like either go like braless with one of those U-shaped bras, or a deep plunge would probably be fine. But overall, this top is so cute with how they fit. They fit kind of perfect. Super cute t-shirt. I'm just gonna leave on these jeans while I try on some tops. This shirt is super duper cute. It's kind of like a milky, creamy, nude white. It's got like a kind of cropped fit, but it's got the ruching on the sides. A great kind of basic staple. I love outfits like this. This top is so fun, but it's a lot more cropped than I thought it would be. I do. I wish it was just a teeny bit longer, but it is such a fun top. Like, I love this detail. Like, it's so cool. Or if you don't care that it's short, go for it. Okay, I feel like this is gonna be really good or not. When I was taking this shacket out of the bag, it was like, you to peel it. I don't know if I love this. Like, I thought it was gonna be a bit more oversized. Like, it feels more like a blazer than a shacket. I don't think I love it. Oh my god, cue the sweat. Peeling off a wetsuit. Ew. Super in love with this top here. We just got this long sleeve chocolate brown shirt. It's actually a decent length, but I like to just kind of bunch it up to the top of my pants. It has really nice stretch. I feel like this is an amazing fall staple. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. And then it just flows out and we have these gorgeous, huge bell sleeves. Oh my god. Oh, I got this hat at Target. I feel like, is it in the frame? I feel like this is super cute with it. Oh my gosh. This might just be my favorite piece so far. If I sucked it in really good, I could probably zip it, but just no thanks. It's too tight. Oh my god. Just like all black moment. Long sleeve, black top, black leggings, and this, oh my god, would be gorge. Gorge! I love this. And then paired with these pants. These pants are so fun. These are very in style right now. These like stretchy bell-bottom pants. And like this color combo is stunning. Long sleeve with the cutout at the end, a little slit. And it's got a nice V shape with the buttons going up on the side. It is actually ribbed. This is, I love this top. This top is stunning. So this is like pretty cropped, so I don't think I would wear it necessarily with these pants. Like it kind of works, but like I think I'd wear it with something even more high-waisted. It comes right to about my belly button, but this is another beautiful, a little bit darker than the last one, chocolate brown top. Very stretchy, very comfortable, kind of just like a cotton vibe. And then it's got this huge opening, and again, I'm kind of shocked you can't see my bra at all. I'm just wearing like a normal bra, so that's great news, because sometimes with cutouts, I'm like, oh, what kind of bra do I gotta get to make this work for me? Favorite piece I've ever got from Shein. I love this so much. Like, isn't this just so pretty? I wanna like go to a sunflower field, go get a pumpkin, I don't know. I wanna do something whimsical, a fall date maybe. And the back is square. You might be better off with a strapless bra for this one, but I love the square neck. The sleeves on this are probably my favorite part. I said probably my favorite part. Like they bunch under. And I just feel like that adds a very whimsical piece to this maxi, which is already very whimsical. I also love this outfit. This blouse is doing something for me that I can't explain. So on the bottom, we've got this really cute corduroy mini skirt, but it's stretchy, which I love. So this is a very comfortable, easy piece to wear. I'm living, I am breathing, I am dying and living again. This is amazing. First of all, I love how this is very true to size. This does not feel tight. A lot of trench coats can feel tight when you lift your arms, when you move. This has a lot of room. It's also got like the tiniest little bit of like a micro stretch. This adorable fuzzy cardigan. First of all, it is cardigan season, and this one has like eyelash, wispy, soft texture. I'm all about cozy this time of year. I also really like how it's a very oversized fit, like it's very roomy. And I probably wouldn't pair this together, but I also got some of these really pretty pale pink biker shorts. Just another nice little staple, throw it on with some sneakers, an oversized shirt or sweatshirt. But that is everything that I got from Shein. Thank you. Pink, 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 girls, girls, girls.